Now to the churches now, where religious leaders are in solidarity with the youth. Their stand was made clear when they hosted the young generation for a memorial service in honor of their peers who were killed during the anti-government protests. The All Saints Cathedral hosted an interdenominational memorial service honoring the 51 young lives lost during the anti-finance bill protests, with religious leaders urging the government to address the concerns raised by the Gen Z. Ann Musungu attended the memorial service and filed this report.
They called the names of all those who lost their lives during the ongoing anti-finance bill protest.
Brian Lemayan Kasaine, Austin Makoha, Mike Kihuga, Kelvin Madanga Kagoni, Chris Gitonga, Rex Masai, Matthew Njoroge, Kelvin Andrew Mamwasi, Beasley Kamau Kogi.
The family of Carlton Maina strongly condemned the excessive use of force by police officers during the protest.
Easy, so hard, very hard, kabisa. He was a brother and he inspired love and peace to everywhere bana. Imagine hata guys wenye tuko nao home, boys walikuwa kiangalia tu hivi, yani wananiuliza like, manze bro, what's this? Boys alikuwa tu hapa hivi na sisi saizi ya yuko, but iko tu sawa, yote ni ya Mungu. Wanasema maji yakimwagika haiwezi zoleka, but we should prepare a way that this does not happen to another ama tuseme tu someone's parent ama someone's kid. Nacheki.
The Anglican Church has now asked the government to release all the Gen Z protesters arrested for allegedly causing violence during the demonstrations.
The killing and the maiming of Kenyans by the security agencies should be condemned and should not be witnessed again in a democratic country. We urge the security teams to arrest and arraign in court any of those that may be culpable of committing crimes against Kenyans. We want to urge Parliament particularly that they represent Kenyans, and their representation of Kenyans must be felt by them when they leave their homes and their constituencies to come to Nairobi to legislate, whether it is in Nairobi or in the county governments, that they should be mindful of the plight of the citizens that they represent.
Joining the Gen Z's movement, leaders of the Council of Churches and CCK have called on the government to dissolve the cabinet and immediately appoint independent electoral and boundaries commissioners.
Kenyans are saying he has an incompetent cabinet. And in addition, many members of his cabinet are also corrupt. And Kenyans are saying it is time for him to dissolve the cabinet, not to reshuffle, but to dissolve. We ask the president to withdraw the Kenya Defense Forces from the streets of Kenya. Kenyans are not the enemy of the state. Kenyans are the ones who put this government into place in 2022. Let us keep and support the police to manage our policing matters. We cannot police civilians with the military. Time has come for us to withdraw the military from our streets.
The Anglican Church has pledged to continue supporting the young people in their quest for justice. Ann Musungu, KTN News, Nairobi.